What's good everyone, welcome. In the last video we made a simple enemy eye system, but today I'm gonna make it a bit more advanced by adding enemy vision detection, enemy area detection, and obstacle detection. Let's dive in. The first thing we wanna do is to go back to our enemy AI script. I'm not gonna go through all the codes, I'm gonna speed up the video and then explain later, but you can always find the codes in the description. Alright guys, let's go through the code a bit. As I mentioned before, we're going to have three different new methods. Chase distance, view distance, which can be from 0 to 360. We're leaving it on 90 for now. And we're going to have a layer mask to check and detect the obstacles around the map. In the patrol function, we are using a Boolean helper to check when to chase, when not to chase. In the chase function, we are checking when the player is lost or it's still in chase, and as well as a statement for checking if the player is in the visibility range so we can attack it. The attack function is pretty much the same, and these are the helper for when the player is in chase range, when the player is in the view range, and this is the other Boolean helper. This is the function for drawing the gizmos. Gizmos are super useful whether you're a beginner or a professional, you should always use them. Now we save the code and go back to Unity. First thing we want to do is to check what references we need to add. First thing is the layer. So we need to choose a layer for our obstacles. We go up here in the layer section, add layer, and type here obstacles. Then we go back to enemy, choose obstacles as our obstacles layer. If we go back and look close to the enemy, we see there is a new gizmo line here, which is for view angle. And there is a new variable for the view distance, how far enemy can see you. For now, we're gonna leave it at 10, and this one around 40. The chase distance is now for when you're walking behind or around the enemies where the enemy can't see you. So it feels more natural. If we don't have chase distance, enemy can only see you when you're in the view range. It also depends on your game. Maybe you want one enemy that can only see you when you're in front of him. So you can remove chase distance and only use view distance. Now the next thing we want to do is to add some obstacles around the map. I'm gonna use some cubes here, just scale and like rotate, put them around the map, one here, why not rotate it, and one here. Okay, now if we test the scene, before we test the scene, almost forgot, we need to add layers, obstacles layers to our walls. Why are these all called RT? I don't know. Let's run the game. Here we can see enemy starts moving, it's looking for us. We're here. If we come here, he can't see us. As soon as he turns, he can see us. And if I go behind the wall, he can't see us. If I go there, again, see me and not see me. That's how it works. If I now also go in front of him in the view range, it see me and I need to run behind the wall. Alright guys, this was a very useful update to our enemy AI script, but as you can see, it's very simple. It's using patrol points and waypoints. In the next video, I'm gonna convert all of this into something called NavMesh. It's very more advanced and smarter. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.